Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Maura Fatima Shalama. I'm from class 2TI, major electrical engineering, program study telecommunication engineering. In this video, I will tell you about tools multimeter. Multimeter size mini, shape oval. Color multimeter is orange, black, and cable red and black. Price 40,000 rupiah till 100,000 rupiah. Multimeter function. A multimeter is a measuring device as to measure voltage, resistance, and electric current. In its development, it can be used to measure temperature, frequency, and other. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.